Hello, welcome back to St. Louis House Community YouTube channel. This video is for kids ages 3 to 6, and today we will be making a bird's nest. Have you seen any bird's nests around this spring? I think it's incredible how birds just know how to instinctively make a nest for their young using twigs and leaves and other things that they find around. It's so awesome. There are 615 different bird species just in Texas. I'm going to put the link at the bottom of this page in case you want to see all of them. I think my favorite Texas bird is the barn swallow because when I take my dog for a walk, they will come and try to get bugs from where we walked, and because we stir up the grass, bugs and grasshoppers and everything else will jump, and then the barn swallow will dive and get it. So it kind of looks like they're doing this dance right behind us. The materials you'll need will be located in your St. Louis House craft bag. So you'll want to find this brown piece of paper that looks like a nest and a small piece of ivory or off-white paper, a pencil, some glue or a glue stick, feather, this yellow yarn, scissors, and a pencil. Oh, and an orange crayon. Okay, for the first step, we're going to take our ivory paper and draw our bird. So you'll want to take your pencil and draw a large oval, kind of like towards the bottom, leaving a little bit of space at the top. I'll show you what that looks like. Then we'll draw the head, which is just going to be a small circle. Then we'll go ahead and cut these out. Once you have your shapes cut out, we're going to glue them onto the nest. So pick a spot on your nest, doesn't matter where, and we're going to glue it just like that, so that the head is on top of the oval and the oval is angled. Great job! Now that we have the bird's body and head, we're going to draw the eyes and the mouth or the beak. So you'll want to get your orange crayon and either a black marker or a black crayon, something to draw the eyes with. So let's start with the eyes. We're going to do 2 small circles at the top, kind of make it look like googly eyes. And then draw 2 small circles in the middle for the pupils. Then we'll draw the beak with our orange crayon. So we're just going to draw a triangle right here, upside down triangle. Then we're going to draw the 2 nose holes that are at the top of the beak. So 2 small circles right at the top. Like that. Then we'll fill in the beak with our orange crayon. Now we're going to draw a couple feet coming off here, legs and feet. So 2 orange lines, and then 3 lines coming off of each. Now we're going to take our feather and cut it in half, and these are going to be the wings. So take your feather and cut it in half right down the middle. Now that you've cut it, you'll notice that one doesn't have quite the same tip as the other, so we're going to take our scissors and cut an angle upwards. So that it has more of a tip like the other one. All right, now that we have our wings, we're going to glue them on the bird. So one is going to go angled up like this, and the other one will go down here. Let's see if you can see it. It's kind of hard to hold it up, but something like that. Now make sure when you're gluing that the angle of the feather is outward and the start of the feather is inward. Now you'll probably see a lot of the white glue, but that's okay because it'll dry clear. Then you'll just let it dry for a little bit, probably 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, on to the next step. So once your bird has dried or partially dried, we're going to take the yellow yarn and our scissors, and we're going to cut it up into small pieces. So take your yarn and cut about 1 inch. If you take your pinky finger, it's probably going to be about the size of that, just as a guide for you. And you're going to do that the entire way down. And it doesn't have to be exact, just approximately. Can you guess what this is going to be? This is going to be straw or twigs on the bird's nest that we're going to glue down all over the nest. So once you have all of those, glue them anywhere on the nest. And just like that, we have a bird's nest. Keep in mind all the white glue is going to dry clear, so you won't see that anymore. I am going to name my bird Violet because she has purple wings. What are you going to name yours? I would love to see your bird's nest. Ask your mom if you can post a picture on Facebook of yours. And see you next time. Bye.